Hey guys, welcome to Diecast, and in today's video I will be reviewing and unboxing this 2005 Super GT Esso Ultraflo Supra number 6. So as you can see right here, it's a sealed body shell, and as you can see from the fading of the sticker here, like it's a little bit faded out. It's a pretty old model, and I'm just gonna give you a quick look around here. So it looks like someone did some cataloging here before. That's not me, that's the previous owner or vendor. Pretty much same on the other side. And underneath, just got the UPC code and just saying what Autoart is all about. Just gonna turn it around for you. And let's open it up. Gonna use the Autoart pick for this one. Let's see if I can get it out with just one side. No, it's pretty tough. I usually open both sides and then just hold here and then pull on one end. It's really tough. Yeah, I never really opened this model before, so. Okay. And it is being held by 3 screws. Let's get that opened up and let's review this video. Alright, now that I have it out of the box, first thing I noticed is the car seems very light. It reminds me of the newer Autoarts that have been releasing lately, like the composite models. So, I mean, it doesn't say anywhere in the box what it's made of. I would assume it's perhaps either composite or resin. So that's my only thing about it. Anyways, so that being said that it's a sealed body, we don't have any more use for this. It doesn't open anywhere. So I'm just gonna have to check it out from the inside later. I'll try to get some good views from the interior. Anyways, so let's start from this side. I love the livery. The blue and the white are very, like, I feel like the simpler the colors are, the more iconic it looks. And especially that there is this tiger right here, which is the Esso, and then you see the Esso logo that you see today up here. So, and I didn't even know that they make engine oil, because I know this is like a gas company. So that's cool. Yeah, so got some decals here. The decals look pretty crisp. They do not show any indentation at all. They're nice and just streamlined with everything. Like, let's say for example you get a GT Spirit model, you can definitely see like where the decals are, like it's very bumpy, like you can see the texture on it. This one is just absolutely, like, you can feel a little bit like it's raised a little bit, but you can tell that the decals are nice and smooth with the body lines. This one is just barely. So I definitely like that. We also see the exhaust on this side. Interestingly, we also see a keyhole right there. And I do like the mirrors, the side mirrors. And we had a little bit of a bunch of vents on the side. Oops, dropped my thing. So I like how the side skirts here, there's a little bit of a dip here. So I don't know how that works when it starts raining. There must be some drain on the sides here, but yeah, like that. That's interesting. And yes, you see some vents that go through and through here. And let's go to the front of the car. So yeah, we see a little tow hook here. We also see these 4 vents right here. And it's really interesting how they made these headlights. So it seems like it's the headlights and then there's separate pieces inside. So obviously it's like the aftermarket race version of the headlights. But yeah, and then we see more vents right here. Just zoom in there for you. And they are through and through vents as well. There's only one windshield wiper. And I just want to point out these hood pins. They are through and through. Very nice use of different coloration on the arrow in the front. As you can see, the canards. And you see that huge splitter in the bottom here. Very huge. I like the contrast and color of that too. Fairly similar on this side. And as you can see, there's also an exhaust on this side. I just want to point out, I love how there's weight stickers on here. That's a cool addition. And obviously you can't miss this wing. And more hood pins up top. And this antenna is really tiny. Like, that's it. And I kind of like these antennas just because it's easier for it to be handled. You don't have to be careful and not hit it like my other JGTC models. I'm not sure about this area here. It looks like a through and through grill. It feels like it. There's a little Esso oil guy here. That must be their mascot. And yeah, we got a few separate latch pieces here. Too bad this model can't open, hey? Would have been nice. Okay, wheel detail. I definitely like the wheels. Oh, I knew it. They are BBS wheels. So that's cool. Looks like an LM. BBS LM type wheel there. We got some decals on the tires. The tires are slicks. Looks really good. And I'd say slightly larger for the rear. Pretty much the same. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention, yes, there is some detail on the brake caliper. I believe it says AP Racing. And the brake rotor as well. Looks like there's a few marks on there. And it's about the same on the other side. It's slightly bigger rotors at the back though. For the bottom of the car, not really much to be seen here. Since this is a sealed body, seems like they're cutting costs on it. So yeah, like there's just that arrow there a little bit, just so you can see it. And yeah, aside from the rear diffuser, and there's yeah, just a little bit of a chassis. There, like I do see a spring there. I don't know if you can see that. Like just right here, there's a spring there for the suspension. There you go. That's a better look of it. So that's a nice added touch. Alright, let's get into the interior here. See if I could try to show some detail. So looks like there's a Takata harness on this one, which I don't think I've seen in any of my other models before. I do like that. I mean, I can tell right away that it is a plastic harness and not those fabric harnesses. But yeah, that's okay. I mean, I've seen worse. Like, I've seen models where they are just a decal on the seatbelt harnesses and whatnot, and then like it's just laid on the seat. So yeah, this is way better. It's a separate piece, right? And you can tell right there by the logo that it's a Recaro seat. I like that the steering wheel is blue. That's a cool feature. What is that? It looks like a racetrack in the middle of the steering wheel. That's a cool feature. Something you don't see every day. See a bunch of buttons in the steering wheel. We also see, let's see if I can get closer here. Get closer here. Sorry, apologize for the jostle. Yeah, there's more buttons in the middle there. And we see more buttons in the center console as well. Maybe we can see better view on the other side. Before then, we'll check the front first. I am a little bit surprised that the dash is not flocked, because usually that's flocked. Yeah, it's just a little bit of gloss black, you know, like when you get the interior of Japanese cards all like plastic glossy. Yeah, like it's actually very similar. It's a little bit dusty, sorry. Yeah, we see the auto backs sticker. Yeah, so we see more of the let me get some lighting here. Yeah, so we see more of this, the center console there. There's a few buttons, and there is absolutely nothing to see at the back. Like it's, yeah, it's heavily tinted, should I say. Yeah, there is some reminiscence of a roll cage inside from the rear and the front. But yeah, aside from that, unfortunately, that's all we can see. There's a fire suppression system right there. And yeah, that's it, guys. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future. And as always, see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.